Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today was the 10-year anniversary for Inspire here in Fremont, California. It was hosted by Eric and Amy. So big congratulations and shout out to them for hosting the awesome event and being here for the community over these past 10 years. Now, I didn't get too much video of all the cars that came in and out of the meet, but I got some clips here and there. I went out to go eat, came back, and a lot of the nicer cars, not nicer, but different variety of cars just came in and left. So I guess I'll shift this video to the reveal of my new car. I've been talking about it for months. I actually bought it while I was in Dubai in July, and here it is. It is a 2015 Porsche 911 GT3, and here it is in front of Sharkworks. It's pretty sweet. So the story with this was my buddy was selling it, and he actually reached out to me on my birthday. So funny. Me and Steph were in Dubai, and my buddy was like, "Hey, you ready to buy GT3?" And I was like, "Man, I think so." So that happened late July, and it was my 30th birthday, so I wanted to get something cool for myself, and I ended up purchasing this GT3. So let me walk you through the little modifications that came from the factory. The things that really attracted me to this car were the Porsche carbon ceramic brakes right there, PCCB. You can tell that they're ceramic brakes because of the color. They're yellow. That's a big signifier for the Porsche community and anybody seeing it for this specific year, the 991. And also in the interior, I really wanted one that had the bucket seats. So these are carbon fiber bucket seats, and it also has a front axle lift. So the front of this car actually raises and it lowers, just like a cup kit on my NSX. Other than that, that's pretty much all I really wanted. Just those main three things. The car has 14,000 miles on it, and I've owned it since pretty much July. I haven't driven it around too much, but that'll change later on after I've just been super busy. I haven't even posted any photos about this thing, so I'll post this video tonight just to show you guys. But yeah, 14,000 miles, clean title. Bought it from a friend. I actually worked on this car before, so I knew what I was getting into. And yeah, this is one of those cars that I really liked. So had the opportunity to buy it, got lucky, and got it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys viewing my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is gonna change pretty soon. It's gonna be pretty interesting. So I know I've been getting a lot of questions about my NSX, so I'll just go ahead and say it. I'm not selling the NSX, but I'm selling a lot of parts on it. So body kit, wheels, brakes, suspension, pretty much everything is for sale on that car. But I'm not gonna sell the car itself. So yeah. Anyways, if you guys enjoy my channel, please stick around for some more by subscribing and liking this video. I'll see you guys next time.